Hey, today we want to share with you how to create, a simple, easy to use landing page for a company, freelance, colleague, you name it, no? A campaign, an action, you have anything. So let's take this widget. I was starting to work. Instead of company, let's call this freelance. It's more that profile, and I need help with moving stuff. And here we can say the name. I'm here to help you. This can be like the basic setup. Let's publish the widget. And the next step we are going to have is to add agents. The agent is just the phone number of this person. So we are going to copy the phone number of this professional. So it's a moving freelance. So we just put it here. It's better if we just clean up the spaces, everything. So we just put there. The name of this person, we are going to, I think is Kobe, I think his name. So we are going to put it here. I think it's Kobe. And we can say moving your stuff. Okay, and this can be enough. This can be like is good to go. Okay, so we have Kobe, we have the widget, and this is somehow is done. No, somehow we have we can click here and we can go to the landing page to preview. No, what's the how this looks like. No, how the landing page looks like. If we click on the WhatsApp, we are going to jump into his profile, and this is the photo. Looks good. He has a message. He's from Israel, so fantastic. Everything looks good. It's working. So what we can change, improve to make this page a bit better. No, what we can do to make this landing page, nicer, more interesting, etc. First, we can change the icon. The icon, we can use one from the gallery. So I don't know if we have a moving company, but maybe we can use something like, let me check, something like this one, for example, that looks cute. And the icon is okay. And what we can do is we can, widget is active, open the first available agent. Okay. So this is going to make the widget, just like that. Okay. So Kobe is here. The icon is changed. This is the information, and this is a moving company. So what makes sense for a moving company? Let's add a form. Okay, and the form, I think the more information one can be a good one. Okay, I think this can be a good option. So yes, let's just put it there. So the description will be something like, I need help with my stuff, and the label is I want more information. Okay, and this is can be moving, transportation, for example, moving, transportation, and relocation, for example, or delivery. We can have some options like that, just to make easier for the user and for you, to capture the information. And instead of email and WhatsApp number that maybe we don't need it, we can say, where are you? And here we can just leave a text so they can say, where are you? And the other option can be, instead of the WhatsApp number, is like when you need it. And we can put options here, and we can say urgent, today, tomorrow, no rush. Okay, and I need my let's WhatsApp. Okay, so this can be like a nice form. We're going to activate this form. I think this is like a nice form to, for someone who does moving stuff, for someone who is doing, moving freelance in Israel. Hey, I'm Kobe, I'm here to help you. Okay, this is the stuff. Okay, he offers these options. Where are you? You can say, I don't know, street, whatever, street name here. And when you need it, like urgent, delivery. Okay, and what is going to happen? This is going to jump into his WhatsApp. Okay, he's going to capture all the information from the client. Okay, so this is very good. Still we can do that. We can do this better. No, all right. So let's continue improving. Now we have a form. The form looks good. Let's try to improve the agent's profile. I think we can change the photo. Instead of this one, let's change this one and we can add something more, maybe like this one. This one looks better. And one important thing, no, we don't want, spam. We don't want crappy stuff. We want, good users, to access our widget. Okay, so we can activate only in these countries, and this will be Israel because he is in Israel. Okay, I'm going to do this as a test for you to see it. Okay, and you can see that, because I'm in Spain, I don't see it. So this is this is good. This prevents receiving leads you don't want. So this is a very good option. That's something you can have. I'm going to remove it for now. Okay, so we can just continue seeing how this progress. And now we can jump into the design section. In the design section, we can change, pretty much everything about the widget, what is here, etc. And we can also improve the landing page. Okay, so we can let's take some content. Let's take some content here. Okay, I'm going to put this here. The background image, I think we can change it to something more appealing, and we are going to use the light theme. Let's see how that looks, and let's jump into it. Okay, so this is like a cute image. We have the content here, moving freelance in Israel, the QR code, just in case you want to print this page. And also, what I think is more important is that you need to think always in mobile. So, this is going to, at the end, is going to be something like that. No? People is going to check your page in a cell phone, so the more, responsive, easy to use, etc., the better. What we do, what we also do, we promote these pages in our directory. So we try to help you with SEO, with some traffic, with some, visitors, people who want to, to connect with you. So you're going to be featured in our landing pages. So you're going to be here. If you use the landing page option, that's for sure. So that's something you will have here. You will be in this section. Okay, so you're going to be featured in this section, and also by category. If we go now to local businesses, I think we use this section, or did we use another one? I don't know. Well, if we go to this one and we go to Israel, yes, if we go to local businesses in Israel, you will see the landing page here. So we are going to help you. We are going to help you as much as we can. We will share this page in Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. We want to help you. We want to help reach more customers. So, this is what we do for you. There are a few more options that maybe are worth exploring. Let me just log in 1 second. I think it's it's interesting for you to know that you have those options. Let's go to the widget again. This one is called moving. Okay, so we use this one. There is an option that this one, enable right to left language direction. This one I think is worth sharing and worth well, telling you that is available, because makes sense for Israel. The language is right to left, so if you want you can change that, and you can translate all the content here using the fields you have for that. So that's one option you can choose. I'm going to leave it as it was before. And another option that I think is interesting is in the agents you can use the groups option. So instead of one agent, you can send the user to a group. Makes sense? You don't like it, you may like it. I mean, if you have a team, like you have 2-3 agents, makes sense to create a group, because the user is going to be able to engage with your agents. It's not like I need to choose who I'm going to talk to. It's like you give me a group and I can jump there and I can connect with anyone who is in the group. So those are two options. Right to left. I think that's a very good option. And then the groups for the agents. Those are things you can use. I think that's it. You can also copy the link here. This is the link we have for the WhatsApp, and you can take this to any place you want, emails, social media, etc. What I think is important at the end, what I think is really important, and what I think is really worth noticing or worth trying, you need to engage with the user. When the user connects with you, you need to reply, you need to send them content, you need to help them. And for that, we have done a lot of templates. If you go to the website, if you go to the blog here, okay, you have we have done let me check, what is this English. Okay, we have done a lot of templates for you to use and share. So you need to for order confirmation, after the end of the order, to recover orders. Well, there are a lot of templates. We have done a lot of templates for you, a lot of messages, a lot of we want to help you engaging with the customer. We know it's hard to type, we know you are busy, you don't have time, but you can use WhatsApp Business and quick replies to make this process faster. Okay, so well, go to the blog, because we have a lot of content and we think we can help you. All right, well, stay in touch. Thank you. Bye.